Hey, good evening, Dr. Davis. This is Mr. Ross. I'm doing my self-assessment and reflection. Um, this year, this course has been like very, very busy for me, and I'm not trying to use that for any excuses or anything. But like my class loads have been like extremely heavy with a lot of work. So I have fallen behind like a great deal trying to play catch up in two of my classes, but for the most part, the material and the work has been very meaningful in your class. I know you always do a good job in your delivery. Um, each class I've taken from you, the class last semester and the class this semester. Um, although like some of the assignments, like so I had some okay grades on them. I think I had like one poor grade. I think that was the King of the Dragon Fly um, farewell letter. I think I could have done better if time permitted itself for me. But like I said, I was always kind of strapped for time with working two jobs and going to school. So like I said, I know that's um, not an excuse. But like I said, it's a wonderful class. I don't think you need to change anything. Um, like I said, the delivery and the content is very meaningful. Even though like that, I'm like extremely shy to talk in front of people. I think like the discussions, they were very meaningful, and they were also always very good discussions. Even like when we did like the guided readings in class, where we'll read some things, and then we'll go into the breakout rooms and speak with amongst our group members. Like I said, that was very good for me, which I enjoy. Like I said, I don't think you need to change anything. Far as like my grade, honestly, with it's kind of hard for me to like stay like trying to keep up. So honestly, I would think for my grade, possibly. I know like some people don't want to like just shoot themselves, but like for this course. I would probably say like a low C or even a D. Probably even probably even having to take the course over because like I was just the timing was not right. But I do appreciate coming to your class and participating in the discussions and the class meetings. Um, So I thank you, and I hope you have a good um, break. Thank you.